person who is with DXN family for the past 12 years. Ladies and gentlemen, let me take the privilege to welcome the operations manager of DXN Middle East. Please put your hands together and welcome Mr. Sebastian Joseph.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning DXN. Good morning DXN Middle East. I'm extremely happy today because DXN Middle East turned to 19. It really shows the credibility of a true data selling company. We are mature enough to grow further. First of all, let me thank our CEO, Honorable CEO, Dr. Lim Seojin, for giving this wonderful system to mankind to provide health, wealth, happiness to all. We are number 15 in international ranking, but we are number 1 in Middle East region. As you all know, we are a pioneer in this industry in this Middle East region. Around 10 million members are in DXN. Among 1.5 million are from our region. Millions of our members and their family are depending on our product for being healthy. Millions of our members and their family are depending income from DXN for their livelihoods. Thousands of our members passing their legacy through DXN to their upcoming generations, like Mr. Abdul Gaid Muafa, Mr. Jihad Ali Babad, Mr. Munin Jafar, they are from Yemen, Mr. Hamad Al-Rasbi, his brother Mr. Hamis Al-Rasbi, Mr. Muhammad Rawahi, Mr. Muhammad Faisilahi, Mr. Abdul Kalam Talukdar, Madam Maha from Saudi Arabia, Hasin Suwan from UAE, Mr. Muhammad Hijazi from UAE, Dinesh Sakia from UAE, Shahadat Hussain from UAE, Patrolina Alipit from UAE, and so on. These are very few names from DXN Middle East. So their upcoming generations will remember them, pray for them because of their monthly income from DXN system, because of their legacy through DXN. DXN is a company with its operations officially more than 100 plus countries with more than 10,000 beautiful offices. In Middle East region itself, we have operations in 11 countries with 86 beautiful offices. As you all know, we are going to start a farm and factory in UAE as per the interest from royal family. Also, we are planning to open a production facility in Saudi Arabia. Its discussions are going on with government bodies. If you are not yet serious with DXN, you please try to understand. You are a part of very strong company with a blessed system. Please take your decision today itself, right now. Use more products, share its benefit to more people. Do DXN with your whole heart so that you can write your success story with DXN. Then you can able to secure your present and future. Hearty congratulations for all new status achievers and TSIP 2021 Russian trip achievers. Wish you all the best. Go Crown Ambassador and thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sebastian Joseph, for that inspiring speech. Like Mr. Sebastian, people using DXN system, even in someone's absence, the family is surviving through DXN's income. And DXN is a blessed system. Mr. Sebastian was mentioning here about Mr. Abdul Qaid Muafa from Yemen. And he is no more with us. But DXN system is with their family. Let's take a look on a video which shows Abdul Qaid Muafa's family. Over to the AV, please.
نظام التوريث مع شركة DXN. لدينا اليوم نموذجا واقعيا من اليمن الحبيب. عبد قايد المعافى من اليمن انضم للشركة في تاريخ 8/4/2004. توفاه الله تعالى في تاريخ 23/12/2007، وكان يومها قد وصل إلى رتبة النجم الماسي وبعمولة تقديرية تصل إلى $300 شهريا. ويصادف اليوم تاريخ 23/12/2020 ذكرى وفاته 13، وقد وصل إلى رتبة النجم الماسي المتقدم التنفيذي وتجاوز عدد أعضاء فريقه ما يزيد عن 217,000 عضو متواجدين في 159 دولة حول العالم. وبفضل الله ثم بنظام التوريث في شركة DXN الماليزية العالمية، ها هم اليوم أبنائهم من بعده يتملكون هذا المنزل الجاهز والذي تم شراؤه من عمولات والدهم المتوفي منذ العام 2007، بالإضافة إلى تحقيق الرحلات الدولية المجانية كل عام.
أنا ليث عبد القايد المعافى، توفي والدي في سنة 2007 وبفضل الله ثم بفضل شركة DXN وعمل أمي المتواصل وبالمساعدة من بعض الأساتذة مثل الأستاذ يحيى الذيباني والأستاذ خالد الفضيلي اشترينا هذا المنزل من عمولة والدي المتوفي وبموجب نظام التوريث الذي في شركة DXN. شكرا DXN العطاء، شكرا DXN المصداقية.
عندما أحدث صديقاتي عن رحلات أمي وعن شركة DXN أغلبهم لا يصدقون، فذلك يؤكد لي أن شركة DXN هي عالم تحقيق الأحلام وعالم تحقيق الأهداف. شكرا لله سبحانه وتعالى، شكرا لأمي الذي بذلت الكثير من الجهود، شكرا DXN المصداقية، شكرا DXN عالم الصحة والثراء. بينما البعض يشكك من نظام DXN نقول لهم نحن المثال الأكبر لذلك، بينما الآن نعيش حياة من الرفاهية بفضل الله سبحانه وتعالى ثم بفضل هذا العالم التالي عالم DXN. DXN هي طريقنا منذ عرفنا أنفسنا ولا زلنا مستمرين في تحقيق أحلامنا وسوف نظل مستمرين في تحقيق أهدافنا، لأن مع عالم DXN الأحلام لا تتوقف.
شكرا DXN العطاء، DXN السخاء، DXN المصداقية.
That was Abdulgaid Muafa's family. Ladies and gentlemen, now that you are witnessing the real strength of DXN system, even in the absence of Mr. Abdulgaid Muafa, his family is living a good life. Thanks to DXN system, thanks to Almighty Allah.